soft, nutty, chocolatey and naturally gluten-free. This is my absolute favorite German Christmas gingerbread. Let me introduce you to Elisenlebkuchen. They're just not a regular gingerbread. They are rich with almonds, hazelnuts, candied fruit and just enough spice to make your kitchen smell like Christmas. They sound pretty healthy, right? Stay around till the end to learn how to make this chocolate glaze at the top. We're gonna start by cutting candied lemon and orange. It's better to cut 50 to 100 grams at a time. In a large bowl, we're gonna mix together eggs, sugar and honey. The mixing should take around 3 minutes or until your arm says enough. Thank goodness I'm using kitchen machine. Now mix salt in the cinnamon gingerbread spice. I will link recipe down below if you don't have one. Almonds, hazelnuts and candied fruit. Stir it all together until it looks like a thick nutty butter that smells like heaven in a bowl. Now grab the eatable paper rounds. They look like a tiny communion wafers, but trust me, these are for cookies, not church. Spread a heaping tablespoon of butter on each wafer. Right to the edges, but not over. From this amount of dough, you should get around 30 to 35, maybe 40 cookies, depending on how generous you are with a spoon. Bake them for 20 minutes until they set but still soft. And while we're standing here and enjoy watching these beautiful cookies, let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite gingerbread. Melt your favorite chocolate in double boiler. Let it cool just a bit so it's big enough to coat but not too runny. Now we're gonna dip the tops of the cookies. I'm actually using for this the Pellkartoffelgabel. The Americans should go for the normal fork because that's the same thing inside the joke. If you don't want to use the fork, brush the chocolate on each cookie. Then let them dry completely, depending on how thick your chocolate layer is. Mine is usually generous. This might take up to a few hours. It will keep for up to a month in an airtight container. But let's be honest, they rarely survive a week. So there you have it, glossy on the top and full of spice, citrus and nuts inside. If you love German gingerbreads, please watch this video to find out what gingerbread varieties there are in Germany.